Hi friends, this is Katerina from the Evolution of Stitches. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to stiffen a crocheted snowflake. You can use the same method in any other object because I didn't want the snowflake to be too stiff. I needed it to be a bit flexible. I used this ratio of glue and water, but of course if you prefer you can adjust the ratio according to your needs. So let's see how you can do it. What I'm going to use is lukewarm water and this glue, starch glue. So first I placed a plastic wrap on top of my blocking board because I don't want it to get wet. I'm going to pour the water into a bowl. I don't think I will need more than that because I'm going to stiffen only one snowflake. Of course, if you stiffen more than one, you should increase the quantities. So I'm going to take some glue from here and dissolve it into the water. I will stir the mixture until it dissolves completely. So please let me do it and I will come back to you. So I'm back again. Now the glue is dissolved into the water. I'm going to wear a glove. This is not necessary, but anyway. So I'm going to wear a glove and now I'm going to place my snowflake into this solution. Please make sure that your snowflake is thoroughly wet. I will squeeze and roll it a few times like this, and then I will squeeze it really well in order to remove the extra liquid. As much as possible. I'm going to use a paper towel to get rid of the excess. So this is the first thing I should do. Now I'm going to remove this bowl. Now I will take some baking paper here and I will place my snowflake on it. Now I will try to stretch the different parts of the snowflake. I will start in the middle, so like this. Now I will place the next pin on one spike. Here again. And here, try to open up the crochet. I will open up this crochet too. Now I will stretch the next spike of the snowflake, so here, and the two spaces between the spikes. And again here I will stretch the next spike and I will continue like this. Please meet me when I finish the spike. So I have finished the first part of stretching the snowflake. Now I will try to adjust everything to be symmetrical. I will need to stretch all the parts of the snowflake. So now I will readjust this part. Now I will stretch the picots as well. It's almost symmetrical, this spike with the other spike. Let me take off the glove because the snowflake is almost dry, so I don't need it. So now I will move this part. I will move the next spike. So these two. So try to place your snowflake as symmetrically as you can. Let me finish it and I will get back to you. So I have blocked the snowflake. I tried to do it as best as possible, but if you are a perfectionist, what you can do is draw a circle and then divide the circle into 6 equal parts, and then place your snowflake on it and then pin it down. So in this way it will be completely symmetrical. Now I will let it dry for about 1 day and I will get back to you to show you the stiffened snowflake. This is how my snowflake looks like after I have stiffened it with the starch glue. So now you can hang it or use it any way you prefer. I hope you liked my tutorial. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to read your comments. Thanks for watching and bye for now.